Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video of Cybrosys. So in this video, let's talk about the reporting section of the PLM module in Odoo 17. So basically inside the PLM module's reporting section, you can find the ECOs, which is the engineering change orders. So using this feature, you can actually get an idea about the ECOs. You can filter it, you can customize it and do all other operations inside it. So let's move on to the module and see how ECO reporting works. So to access the reporting menu, we need to navigate to the PLM module and you can find it in the app menu. So here is the PLM. Once in the PLM module, look for the reporting menu. So which is usually located on the left hand sidebar. So here you have the reporting menu and under the reporting, you can find the ECOs. So this is the ECOs. So ECOs basically stands for engineering change orders. So the reporting menu provides valuable insights into your ECO processes. Okay, Odoo offers a variety of predefined reports to analyze ECO data. Okay, so let's explore some of the key reports. So here you have the engineering change orders where you can find two different reports of the graph and of the type graph and pivot. Okay, so this is the graph view of the engineering change orders. You can see this is currently based on different stages, and if you take a look, this shows the count. Okay, so you have the different ECOs, which is acoustic block screen as well as cabinet with doors. Okay, so this basically shows the count of the different ECOs which you have created, and the stages. So both of them are currently under effective stage, and this is a new one which was just created. You can find the same in line chart and also the pie chart. Okay, so going back to the line chart, the bar chart, you have this descending order as well as ascending order. Okay, and you have the line chart over here. So from here, you can add the different measures. So if I'm choosing BOM revision means that can be found over here. Okay, and based on color, that can also be done. The same thing we can find under the pivot chart, and here you have the different ECOs which you have created and the different things like the different stages where you can find the count. So I'm going to add BOM revision as well, so that will also be added here to the pivot table. Okay, so you can insert it into spreadsheet, you can flip the axis, you can expand all, and even you can download the XLSX. It's that simple. So from the engineering change orders, you can, inside the reporting, you can easily access everything which is happening inside the ECOs. So that's all about the reporting section in PLM. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.